1. 1952 Ford F1 Custom. Price: $15,000. Located: Decatur, Tennessee. This 1952 Ford F1 Custom is a bold and well-built classic pickup that perfectly blends vintage truck styling with serious performance upgrades. Finished in a clean white exterior, this custom build stands out with its aggressive stance and unmistakable hot rod character. The truck has been carefully assembled with attention to detail, and the seller notes that there is documentation and receipts for nearly every component, adding confidence and value to the build. Under the hood, this F1 is powered by a strong 460 cubic inch big block V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, delivering impressive power and a thrilling driving experience. The drivetrain is supported by a straight axle front end and a durable 9-inch rear end, giving the truck both strength and classic hot rod appeal. A thumper cam enhances the engine's sound and personality, making this truck as exciting to hear as it is to drive. The raised floor design adds to the custom feel, while the overall build ensures the truck runs and drives well. With approximately 20,000 miles driven, it has proven to be a reliable cruiser that turns heads and earns attention everywhere it goes. This is a unique opportunity to own a standout classic truck that combines power, style, and character in one impressive package. 2. 1934 Ford F1. Price: $32,000. Located: Nicholasville, Kentucky. This 1934 Ford F1 is a striking custom-built classic truck that combines vintage styling with powerful mechanical upgrades. Finished in a vibrant orange exterior paired with a black interior, this truck delivers a bold visual presence that immediately grabs attention. While it carries the timeless look of a 1934 Ford, it is important to note that the vehicle is titled as a 1969 Ford due to its modified frame, making it a unique blend of classic design and updated engineering. Under the hood, this truck is powered by a strong 406 cubic inch V8 engine, sourced from 1974, paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission. This setup provides solid performance and smooth power delivery, making it an enjoyable vehicle to drive for cruising or casual shows. The drivetrain is further enhanced with a durable 9-inch rear end, ensuring strength and reliability under load. Owned and maintained for the past 6 years, the truck has been well cared for and remains in good running condition. It offers a dependable driving experience while still retaining the character of a classic hot rod. This vehicle is ideal for enthusiasts looking for a standout custom build with proven performance and a unique identity on the road. 3. 1936 Dodge Coupe D2. Price: $19,500. Located: Talbot, Tennessee. This 1936 Dodge Coupe D2 is a beautifully preserved 5-window coupe that has been tastefully upgraded to deliver a balance of classic styling and modern drivability. With its timeless pre-war design, this Dodge stands out as a clean and solid example that is ready to be enjoyed immediately. Owned by just 2 individuals over its lifetime, it carries a sense of history while benefiting from thoughtful mechanical improvements. Powering this coupe is a reliable 350 Chevrolet V8 engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, providing smooth shifting and dependable performance. The front suspension features a coilover setup with all new bushings, enhancing ride comfort and handling. At the rear, a traditional leaf spring suspension with shocks ensures stability while maintaining a classic feel. Additional upgrades include a new HEI distributor, contributing to improved ignition performance and reliability. The car runs and drives great, making it a practical option for cruising, weekend drives, or local shows. With a clean title and ready-to-go condition, this Dodge Coupe represents an excellent opportunity for anyone seeking a vintage car with modern performance enhancements and classic appeal. 4. 1933 Plymouth Coupe. Price: $21,500. Located: La Porte, Indiana. This 1933 Plymouth Coupe is a well-built custom hot rod that combines classic styling with a range of modern upgrades designed for both performance and everyday usability. Finished in a sleek gray exterior with a black interior, this coupe offers a clean and aggressive look while maintaining its vintage charm. With only around 1,000 miles driven since its build, it remains in excellent condition and ready for regular use. Under the hood, the car now features a fresh 283 Chevrolet V8 engine, replacing the previous 350 setup, and is paired with a 700R automatic transmission for smooth and efficient driving. The vehicle is equipped with four-wheel disc brakes, providing strong and reliable stopping power, along with power windows for added convenience. Inside, the cabin includes a tilt steering column, AB and M Pro ratchet shifter, and a full set of gauges including a tachometer. The cooling system is supported by an aluminum radiator with an electric fan, ensuring consistent performance. Riding on Craigar wheels with new tires, this coupe delivers both style and functionality. This is a dependable, eye-catching hot rod suitable for daily driving or weekend cruising. 5. 1931 Ford Sedan. Price, $32,222. Located, Middlesboro, Kentucky. This 1931 Ford Sedan hot rod is a beautifully built classic that combines traditional styling with strong modern performance upgrades. Finished in a sleek gray exterior with a matching black interior, this vehicle presents a clean and aggressive look while maintaining the timeless appeal of early Ford design. The body is solid with no rust, and the paint and interior are both in very nice condition, reflecting the care and attention given during its build. Under the hood, this sedan is powered by a potent 383 V8 engine equipped with aluminum heads, delivering strong and responsive performance. It is paired with a TH350 automatic transmission with a stall converter, providing smooth shifting and added power when needed. The drivetrain also features a durable 9-inch rear end with 3.73 gears, ensuring both strength and performance on the road. The car is equipped with four-wheel disc brakes, offering improved stopping power and safety. The frame and suspension are like new, contributing to a stable and comfortable driving experience. All gauges and lights are fully functional, making this car reliable for regular use. With newer wheels and tires, this hot rod is ready to drive anywhere and continues to turn heads wherever it goes. 6. 1946 Ford Coupe Hot Rod. Price, $14,000. Located, Clinton, Indiana. This 1946 Ford Coupe Hot Rod is a bold and aggressive custom build that delivers both classic styling and powerful performance. Finished in a unique purple exterior with a matching interior, this coupe stands out with its eye-catching appearance and unmistakable hot rod attitude. Built on AG body frame, it offers improved structural integrity and modern driving characteristics compared to its original configuration. Power comes from a ZZ3 Crate 350 V8 engine, enhanced with additional performance components to deliver strong acceleration and an exciting driving experience. The engine is paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, along with AB and M lightning stick shifter that adds a race-inspired feel to the driving experience. This setup makes the car both fun and responsive on the road. The vehicle runs and drives well, though it is noted that the transmission may need attention, as higher gears have shown signs of slipping. Many components have been updated, making this a solid and enjoyable hot rod with plenty of potential. With its bold style and strong performance foundation, this coupe is ideal for enthusiasts looking for a unique project or a ready-to-drive classic with character. 7. 1932 Ford Highboy Roadster. Price, $39,000. Located, Vassar, Michigan. This 1932 Ford Highboy Roadster is a stunning example of a classic hot rod that combines timeless design with serious performance and craftsmanship. With its open-top roadster styling and aggressive stance, this car captures the true spirit of traditional hot rodding while incorporating modern upgrades for enhanced performance and reliability. At the heart of this build is a powerful 350 Chevrolet V8 engine equipped with a 471 blower, delivering impressive horsepower and a commanding presence. The engine bay is filled with chrome and polished aluminum components, giving it a show-quality appearance. Power is delivered through a 350 automatic transmission to a Ford 9-inch rear end, ensuring durability and smooth operation. The front end features a fully chromed setup, while stainless steel exhaust and brake lines add both durability and visual appeal. The car also includes a removable top, offering flexibility for open-air cruising or covered driving. This roadster runs and drives exceptionally well, making it not just a showpiece but a fully functional performance machine ready to be enjoyed on the road. 8. 1943 Ford Pickup. Price: $26,000. Located: Cincinnati, Ohio. This 1943 Ford pickup is a unique custom build that blends classic wartime-era truck styling with powerful performance upgrades, retaining its iconic closed cab design. This pickup stands out with a rugged yet refined presence that appeals to both collectors and hot rod enthusiasts. It has been thoughtfully modified to deliver a reliable and enjoyable driving experience while maintaining its vintage character. Under the hood, this truck is powered by a rare and impressive 1957 DeSoto Hemi V8 engine, offering strong performance and a distinctive sound that sets it apart from more common builds. The engine is paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, providing smooth shifting and improved drivability for both city cruising and highway use. Power is transferred to the rear through a 1969 Camaro rear end, adding durability and strength to the drivetrain. The truck runs and drives well, making it a solid choice for those looking for a classic vehicle that can be enjoyed regularly. Its combination of unique engine choice, dependable transmission, and classic styling makes it a standout in any collection. This is a great opportunity to own a vintage pickup with rare components and a strong performance foundation. 9. 1930 Ford Model A. Price: $43,000. Located: Rogersville, Missouri. This 1930 Ford Model A coupe is a highly customized hot rod that delivers serious performance while maintaining the iconic look of early Ford design. With a classic coupe body that has been tastefully modified, this vehicle stands out as a powerful and well-built street machine designed for both show and performance. At its core is a massive 460 cubic inch big block Ford engine, bored 0.30 over, delivering exceptional horsepower and torque. This engine is paired with a TCI C6 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable power delivery. The drivetrain is further strengthened with a 9-inch Johns Posey rear end, providing excellent traction and durability under high-performance conditions. This Model A is equipped with power disc brakes, offering improved stopping capability and safety. The rear end has been widened, and the body features a 3-inch chop, giving the car a more aggressive stance and classic hot rod appearance. Additional features include an 850 Edelbrock carburetor, billet specialty wheels, and new tires and battery. With only around 300 miles driven since completion, this car is fresh, powerful, and ready for the road. 10. 1931 Ford Coupe Project. Price: $22,500. Located: Wichita, Kansas. This 1931 Ford Coupe project is an excellent starting point for anyone looking to build a custom hot rod with a solid foundation already in place. The car features a Southern California frame that has been newly installed, providing a strong and reliable base for further development. With much of the hard work already completed, this project offers a great opportunity to finish a custom build to your exact preferences. The chassis includes a new Ford 9-inch rear end housing along with brand new ladder bars, ensuring durability and proper suspension geometry. The front end has also been completely updated with new components, including hairpins and steering elements. Additional new parts include brake and clutch pedals, steering column, steering wheel, shifter, gauges, and a fuel system with a new tank and lines already installed. Visually, the coupe has been chopped and channeled 3 inches, giving it a more aggressive and classic hot rod stance. It sits on new powder-coated wheels finished in candy purple, paired with striking white wall tires that enhance its vintage appeal. While the center section is not yet installed, this project is well on its way and only needs final assembly and drivetrain completion to become a standout custom build. 11. 1926 Ford Roadster. Price: $20,000. Located: Alons, Tennessee. This 1926 Ford Roadster is a beautifully crafted classic hot rod that combines vintage open-top styling with modern performance upgrades. Finished in a deep burgundy exterior with a black interior, this Roadster offers a timeless look that captures the essence of early American motoring while delivering a far more capable driving experience than its original form. Under the hood, the car is powered by a rebuilt 350 Chevrolet V8 engine, providing reliable performance and strong acceleration. It is paired with a T5 manual transmission, giving the driver full control and an engaging driving experience. The vehicle is equipped with a C4 Corvette suspension setup, which significantly improves handling, ride quality, and overall stability compared to traditional setups. Additional features include power rack and pinion steering along with four-wheel power disc brakes, ensuring precise control and confident stopping power. With approximately 6,155 miles driven, this Roadster has been well maintained and remains in excellent running condition. This is an ideal classic for enthusiasts who want a lightweight, fun-to-drive hot rod that blends old-school charm with modern engineering and usability.